Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the 740 by New Balance in the white navy colorway. These were released back in November 2024 for the retail price of £100 here in the UK. It comes in a grey NB branded box with the shoes wrapped in white paper. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. New Balance decided to retro the 740 sneaker, a budget-friendly running model from the 2000s, which has transitioned to more of a lifestyle or casual sneaker for running errands rather than hitting the track. It's fairly comfortable with the absorbed sole that offers decent cushioning and ride, paired with the mesh and synthetic uppers resembling the popular 1906R. Similar to the 530, New Balance offers another dependable sneaker at a good price point. Although the latter feels like a sleeker, better looking sibling, this more innocuous colorway allows us to appreciate its design, with the silver and blue accents offering a nice contrast with the clean white upper. On foot I stay true to size at my UK 10, US 10.5. It's wide foot friendly with a nice snug fit. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment time to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Have you tried the 740? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.